Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the flickering and flashing screen in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search type a device manager. Open Device Manager, select the display adapter, expand it, select it, and right click on Update Driver. Search Automated from Drivers. Search for Update Driver on Windows Update. So check the updates. Okay guys, after checking that if any updates available, then download and install in your PC. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a display adapter, select a graphic driver, right click update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select the model. Click on next button to continue. After that, close it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a display adapter and see the name of the graphic driver, open any browser, go to your search engine and type a find out a graphic driver, click on graphic, download the latest driver of your, click on save to continue. After that, downloading will be started and it's required of a few minutes to download it. And after downloading that, install in your PC and restart your computer. And after that, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.